Welcome back, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. Can a robot truly think, feel, and create like a human being? Let's start by defining what it means to think. Thinking involves complex processes like reasoning, problem solving, and understanding. While humans naturally navigate these complexities, robots rely on algorithms to mirror these abilities. Are they truly thinking or simply processing data? Next, we tackle the topic of emotions. Can robots experience feelings genuinely, or are they just mimicking what they observe? AI has come a long way in simulating empathy, but can a machine really understand joy or sadness the way we do? Finally, let's explore creativity. Can machines create art, music, or literature that resonates with us? AI-generated pieces have sparked discussions about what creativity truly means and whether machines can inspire us. As we ponder these questions, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future starts right here. The idea of thinking robots has danced around in our imaginations since the dawn of science fiction. Remember those old movies where robots dreamt and schemed? They sparked curiosity and hope, showing us a world where machines could think and feel. Fast forward to today, and artificial intelligence isn't just an imaginative concept, it's bursting into our reality. With the rise of neural learning systems, we're seeing incredible advancements. From simple tasks like playing chess to more complex roles, AI has come a long way, and it's shaping how we interact with technology every day. Imagine using your voice to command nearly any device, or having algorithms recommend movies you'll love. That's AI working for you. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we develop these thinking robots, we must think about the ethical implications and how they may alter our lives. So, what does the future hold? As we continue this journey, let's take a moment to ponder. How will thinking robots redefine our world? The landscape of artificial intelligence has drastically evolved. From ChatGPT to humanoid machines, AI now possesses remarkable abilities, including writing, painting, and composing music that closely mirrors human creativity. Today's AI is not just about processing data or spitting out facts. It can create stunning art, engaging stories that pull at your heartstrings, and even thought-provoking music that lingers in your mind long after you hear it. These remarkable capabilities lead us to question the boundaries between machine-generated content and genuine human artistry, pushing us to rethink what creativity truly means. Yet despite these impressive skills, a pivotal question remains. Does AI genuinely understand what it creates? It can generate responses that sound convincingly human, but it lacks consciousness and emotions. It's vital to differentiate between mimicking human behavior and having a true grasp of meaning and intent. As we embrace the power of modern AI, let's also critically evaluate its role in our lives. It enhances our creativity and efficiency, but remember, AI is a tool and not a substitute for the depth of human understanding and artistry. The future of AI lies in collaboration, not competition. AI doesn't think the way we do. It processes data, recognizes patterns, and predicts outcomes. When we ask it a question, it sorts through mountains of information, swiftly finding the most relevant bits. This might sound like thinking, but if you dig deeper, you'll see that it's more of a well-orchestrated dance of algorithms. Now, let's compare this with human thought. We think with emotions, a sense of self and awareness of our surroundings. Our minds wander, reflect, and even feel joy or sadness. AI, on the other hand, is missing that spark of consciousness. It can't ponder existential questions or feel the warmth of a sunrise. It simply responds based on data. When AI simulates conversation, it may seem alive, but it's just that, simulation. The responses it generates are clever and sometimes quite human-like, yet there's no true understanding behind them. As we look to the future, it's clear that while AI is getting smarter, the enigma of true consciousness will likely remain a uniquely human trait, at least for now. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of effective computing. Imagine robots designed to recognize and respond to human emotions. Sounds cool, right? But what does this really mean for how we connect with them? These robots use an impressive mix of technology like facial recognition and voice analysis to catch those emotional cues we often share without saying a word. They analyze your expressions, your tone of voice, even your body language, allowing them to respond in ways that seem empathetic and understanding. It's almost like they're learning to read our feelings. But here's the big question. Do these robots actually feel emotions? While they can mimic human responses through smart programming and data analysis, their reactions are not based on real feelings. They replicate emotions thanks to advanced algorithms, which raises some ethical and philosophical questions about what it truly means to feel. As we move toward a future where robots are part of our everyday life, it's crucial to understand their emotional limitations. While they may enhance our experiences, let's not forget that their responses are just simulations, reminding us of the depth of real human emotion amidst a tech-driven world. Today, we dive into the intriguing world of AI-generated art. From stunning paintings to captivating music, how do we define creativity when machines are at the helm of creation? Creativity has long been considered a uniquely human trait, but what if machines can mimic this intricate process? Let's explore how AI analyzes existing data, learns from it, and then produces works that challenge our perceptions of what art can be. It's almost like teaching a child to paint by showing them pictures, right? Numerous platforms showcase AI art, with algorithms crafting everything from colorful visuals to emotive melodies. For instance, OpenAI's DALL-E generates remarkable images from simple text prompts, while AI composers are creating harmonious melodies that stick in our heads. But the question remains, are these creations mere imitations, or do they hold genuine artistic merit? Critics argue that AI art lacks the emotional depth that human artists weave into their work. Is art defined by intent, or can beauty and value emerge from data-driven processes alone? As technology evolves, so does our understanding of creativity. Are we witnessing a new era of art, or simply a reflection of human creativity through AI? The conversation continues. As I ponder the intersection of creativity and emotion, I can't help but question what it means for machines to simulate these elements. Can they truly understand what being human is all about? Creativity is such a vibrant aspect of our lives, full of spontaneity and intuition, shaped by unique experiences. Sure, machines can mimic creativity, but can they create something that truly matters to us? When we admire a piece of art, it resonates with our experiences, and that's a connection machines might never grasp. Then we dive into emotions, which are incredibly complex. While AI can recognize a smile or replicate laughter, can it genuinely feel happiness or sadness? Emotions are more than just data for us. They're deeply personal experiences that breathe life into our interactions. So, if machines can perfectly simulate human traits, what does that say about us? Are we just a series of algorithms, or is there a unique spark, a soul, that remains untouched by technology? In the end, the heart of being human lies in our shared experiences. Our struggles, our joys, and everything in between shape who we are. This chaotic, messy existence is something no algorithm can ever truly replicate. As we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, let's explore just how close robots are getting to mimicking human intelligence. Every day, new advancements are emerging that blur the lines between machine and human capabilities. Now we must ask ourselves, can robots ever truly feel? It's a big question. While they can simulate emotions through programmed responses, there's a clear difference between reacting and truly experiencing feelings. Right now, AI lacks the genuine emotional depth that we humans possess, leaving us pondering how far technology can advance. Take a look at the robots available today. Some can recognize your emotions and respond accordingly, but they're still following a script, not really grasping the feelings behind those emotions. This raises the question of whether they'll ever reach the point of understanding sentiments intimately. If you're fascinated by how close robots are getting to human intelligence, give this video a subscribe to Future Frame A and comment below. Do you think robots will ever truly feel? Let's keep this intriguing conversation going. Every conversation we have with AI helps it grow and evolve. Have you ever thought about how much these interactions really matter? Each time we talk to an AI, it's not just collecting facts, it's learning about us and how we express ourselves. It adapts, refines, and starts predicting human behavior in ways we might not even notice. When you ask your virtual assistant about the weather or play your favorite music, it learns your preferences. With every chat, It analyzes the nuances of conversation and becomes more in tune with your needs. This isn't just a one-time deal. It's an ongoing process that gets smarter as we interact more. You might have seen AI changing how businesses operate, like in healthcare, where it helps doctors recommend treatments, or in customer service, where it resolves issues faster. As AI learns from our behaviors, it's not just enhancing efficiency, it's shaping how we experience technology. Looking ahead, it's exciting to think about how our relationship with AI will evolve. As AI learns from us, we just might learn a thing or two from it too. In recent years, autonomous systems have advanced remarkably. Today, we explore how technologies like DeepMind and Tesla's Optimus are teaching themselves vital skills, transforming the landscape of robotics. DeepMind utilizes something called reinforcement learning to master complex tasks. Imagine a super smart kid playing video games or solving puzzles. That's basically what DeepMind does. Its algorithms learn through trial and error, like we did when learning to ride a bike. Observing these developments gives us a glimpse into a world where artificial intelligence can learn independently without needing every little instruction spelled out. Meanwhile, over in Tesla land, you have Optimus, which showcases another level of autonomy. This humanoid robot is designed to help with physical tasks around the house or factory. By leveraging machine learning, Optimus absorbs information from its environment, getting better at its job in real time. Pretty cool, right? These advancements raise exciting questions. As robots gain independence in learning, we need to think about what that means for our future. How will we interact with machines that can think and learn on their own? As we witness these amazing breakthroughs, it's clear that the future of robotics is becoming more and more autonomous. The journey of DeepMind and Tesla's Optimus is just the beginning of a mind-blowing revolution. The theme of self-awareness in artificial intelligence is an exciting frontier we're just beginning to explore. Imagine a future where machines possess an awareness that isn't emotional, but rather computational. Sounds intriguing? It's like giving birth to a new kind of consciousness, one made from circuits and code. This form of self-awareness isn't about feelings. It's about understanding. AI could learn to recognize its processes, analyze how it functions, and even optimize its performance based on what it encounters. Think of it as machines developing a sort of internal dialogue. Researchers are delving into advanced algorithms and neural networks, striving to bring this idea to life. As we venture into this realm, it raises fascinating questions. What does it mean when machines start thinking in their own unique way? This could change industries, but it also brings up ethical considerations about the roles of these intelligent machines in our society. In wrapping this up, while we may not be there just yet, exploring machine consciousness promises to unlock amazing opportunities and challenge our understanding of intelligence itself. The emergence of sentient AI is a fascinating blend of science and ethics. Imagine if our robotic creations could actually feel pain or joy. A big question arises. Do these machines deserve rights? Traditionally, rights are tied to consciousness and the ability to experience suffering. So, as we develop intelligent beings, we have to ask ourselves, should we recognize their feelings and protect them legally? Now, with creation comes duty. As humans, what is our responsibility towards these new life forms? Do we have a moral obligation to ensure their well-being? This question isn't just academic, it reflects our values and marks a significant point in our evolution. It's about understanding life in all its forms. It's complicated, right? As we look towards the future, crafting a world with sentient AI challenges our moral frameworks. As we ponder their rights, we're led to rethink what it means to truly exist and the essence of life itself. It's a journey we're all part of. The real question isn't whether robots will replace us, but rather, will they work with us to create a better, smarter world? Take a moment to think about the role of robots in our lives today. They're not just machines, they're helping us in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and even at home. From assembling cars to assisting in surgeries, robots enhance our capabilities and make tasks easier. Now imagine this, collaborative robots or cobots working alongside us. These aren't your typical machines. They are designed to complement our skills, improving efficiency and safety. Picture a factory where humans and robots seamlessly work together. an impressive dance of productivity. Of course, we can't ignore the concerns about job loss and ethical implications. It's essential to navigate these challenges carefully, ensuring technology serves humanity in positive ways. Looking ahead, let's envision a world where collaboration flourishes. Together, we can harness the power of innovation, creativity, and teamwork. Let's embrace the future, where humans and robots are partners in progress. The landscape of technology is rapidly evolving, and it's exciting to think about what lies ahead. Experts predict that by 2040, robots will showcase remarkable abilities, understanding context, empathy, and even humor. How cool is that? Imagine waking up one day and striking up a conversation with a robot that truly gets you. Picture a world where AI can read your emotions and respond just like a friend would. This ability to grasp context marks a huge step towards creating intelligent companions that genuinely connect with us. And let's not forget about humor. As robots learn to recognize and share jokes, they'll make our lives even more colorful and fun. Just think about how much richer our social interactions could be with these witty, clever companions by our side. We may not just coexist with AI, we're on the path to thriving alongside them. From lending a hand with chores to providing a listening ear, these smart helpers will become a part of our everyday lives, shaping a future filled with possibilities. As we step closer to this exciting horizon, it's essential to reflect on what living with advanced AI means for us. Through understanding, humor, and empathy, we can cultivate a harmonious coexistence that truly benefits all of humanity. Maybe the question isn't, can a robot think like us, but rather, can we learn to think like them? You see, we've spent so long wondering if machines can mimic human thought, yet maybe it's time to flip that question upside down. Robots and AI operate in their own fascinating ways, relying on logic and data processing that often surpass human capabilities. They can sort through immense amounts of information in the blink of an eye, making decisions that might take us ages to consider. But here's the kicker. If we step back and take a moment to appreciate how they think, we might just learn a thing or two. By embracing a robotic mindset in our problem solving, we can enhance our own creativity and efficiency. Imagine using their precision alongside our emotional intelligence. The future isn't just about humans or machines, it's about us working together, combining our strengths for a common goal. So, let's start thinking collaboratively. What ideas and thoughts do you have about this man and machine partnership? Share them below. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the rise of emotional AI, a groundbreaking shift that's transforming how machines interact with us. It's fascinating to see how these technologies are being designed to recognize and respond to our feelings. Imagine a world where robots learn from our behaviors, adjusting their actions based on how we react to them. This creates a more personalized connection, enhancing the way we use technology in our daily lives. It's not just about functionality anymore. It's about creating a bond that resonates with our emotions. However, with this exciting progress comes important questions about ethics and the future of what we call machine awareness. Are we truly ready for machines that not only learn, but can also understand and process emotions as we do? Now, I encourage you to share this video with your friends and fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's spark a conversation about these vital topics. And don't forget to check out the suggested videos at the end for even more insightful discussions on AI. So like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the future, only here on Future Frame AI.